Happy rainy Sunday from Björnö, Björkvik cliff nudist beach here in Stockholm region. And to be fair, on a day like this, all of the beaches are actually nudist beaches because there is nobody on the beach. On the bus that I took to come here, there were only very few people that actually hopped off at the residential area before the sea. And I can see also on the other end at the Björkvik cliff there is nobody as well, which means that people are staying at home and watching a movie or something and not out for beach adventures, as it was raining previously, and also right now it is raining very light rain. So not the best Sunday, as it is only 15 degrees Celsius in the air, but if you find a spot where it's not blowing wind, like here behind the rocks, it's fine, but here on the sea it is blowing, as you can see. But I might also go to Torpesatstrand later on, because there won't be any wind, as the forest will protect it. And also it's Torasand on that end, it's also currently no wind at all, but it's sand and I don't want to make my feet with sand. So that's why I chose these rocks, even though they are very slippery, so I need to use caution when going into the water and out as well. The water though is so clean and clear. It seems that the algae have disappeared with the cold weather. I really hope that it's not that colder. I was here 4 days ago, I think, and it was 18 degrees Celsius in the sea. And let's see how it is now. It's definitely warmer than the air. But what will the verdict come down to? Okay, between 17 and 18 we're gonna round down to 17, as it feels also a bit colder. As yesterday also it was maybe not so cold like today, but it was very cloudy as well. So yeah, let's then get on with the beach adventure before the rain starts to pour more. Not for me, but for my things here, so my backpack will not get wet. Because I'm planning to swim also longer. And yeah, this is Björkvik Klippor, very scenic rocks, spontaneous nudist beach spot as well here in the Björnö Nature Reserve in Värmdö. So let's then get going and go down for a swim in the Baltic Sea, that is. Yeah, it looks much better when there is sun, obviously, but I think it's also a bit scenic, like on days like this, to show you that summer in Sweden can look also like this. Nobody on the beach on the whole stretch here. I usually go further down because there are sometimes people on this sand, but now it's completely empty. So yes, today is what was it, 19th of July was it, and beach the number 96 on my Sweden beach adventures. So ready, set, and go. I almost went in a rock, but I didn't, so that's good. The luck was on my turn, as here there are rocks here and there, but on the way there at one of the rocks I am used to jumping in because it is a bit deeper, but here you need to be aware of the rocks. So dark cloudy Sunday. It is 2:30 p.m. right now, for the record. If it was sunny, the sun would have been highest up currently, or high enough. The days are getting shorter though. 2 weeks ago the sunset was at 10:15 p.m. now it's like 9:30, so it's shortening every day for 5 to 7 minutes, I think. And but still it's summer and still it's very bright and warm. Not today, maybe about the hotness, but yeah. Greetings from Björnö, Björkvik at this nudist beach spot. We continue the beach adventures from secluded wild nudist beaches in Stockholm. And make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!